Well, if you've never seen a 7% mortgage rate, you're probably not alone, because most loan officers in the business today have not seen a 7% rate. We haven't seen these rates since 2001. So most people in the mortgage business today haven't been in it for over 20 years, and that's why I'm doing this report. Here's where mortgage rates are right now as we sit, but the mortgage-backed securities market is still continuing to get hammered. So you can see across the board, we have rates up about an eighth. Let's focus in on the 30-year fix. We're at 6.87, so basically an eighth away from 7%. Well, I got some bad news, or additional bad news, to show you. Here's what's going on in the MBS market. So if you follow me on a daily basis, you understand what's going on here. If you don't, you're a newbie to this. Here's what we follow on a daily basis. This is the mortgage-backed security, a bond that trades on Wall Street. What you're seeing on your screen is the price of that bond. Okay, it's the mortgage bond. The component in this, the yield on this bond, is the biggest piece or the biggest part of your mortgage rate, or the yield on your mortgage rate. Okay, so as the price goes down, that you're seeing here, 1.58 down, that means rates are going up, and they're going up quite a bit. Let me put this into context for you. We haven't had these rates since 2001. I've been in this business for 33 years. I've never seen a one-day move this dramatic, 158. Even in 2008, 2010, 2011, when foreclosures basically were running rampant, we never had an adjustment this big in one afternoon. So that is going to float over to the mortgage rates, and you're going to see mortgage rates topping at least minimally 7% across the board. But let's go over and put some of this into context. What in the world's going on? Well, you can see the Dow Jones is getting hammered. It's down 100 and some points, and new closing for the record lows and all this other stuff. So there's not only bad news in housing. Let's get to some other things. Well, you have a scheme in New Jersey. People just swindled $100 million. Dollar is actually raising in value, but let's go down through here. Let's just put some of this into context. Feds commit $50 million to for-profit nuclear fusion companies. Okay, I'm not saying you shouldn't, but you shouldn't right now with the situation that we're in. So that's number one. Biden's student loan relief. It's going to help millions of people. Well, unfortunately, we, the taxpayers, are going to be stuck with $400 billion, with a B, of paying for other kids' colleges. Is that fair? You guys decide. And remember, the election's right around the corner. And then you go through consequences. Russia now saying that they might use nuclear weapons. Trump's under investigation again. And then look at the last thing. And I'm going to stop it here. When Citizens United, it was something that was approved years ago by the Supreme Court that basically made it this way, that they're saying that you contributing money to a politician isn't really anything. Money doesn't actually make a person change their mind or make them make a decision that you're wanting them to do. It's just showing them that you like them. Okay, that's what they basically said. Well, why are so many politicians, if you look at them, why do so many politicians have a career at Washington, D.C., and they make about 100, 150 grand a year? But you ever look up some of their net worths? They're all worth like 50 or 100 million dollars. I don't know about you, but I've made 100 grand or more over the last 10, 15 years, and I'm not a $50 million, I don't have a $50 million or $100 million portfolio. How do they do it? Maybe they should share their financial advisors with us. So I just want to give you some context as how screwed up everything is. So if you think it's just housing, it's not. It's every piece of the puzzle when it comes to government and spending and just a ton of other things. So I won't ramble on much more than that. I just want to let you guys know the live cast rate here that we're seeing on the MBS market is now showing it is down 119, and on the Fannie Mae 5.5 is down 119, and the MBS 5.0 is down 153. We are getting clobbered, folks. So sorry for the bad news. If you're out there and you're building a house and you really want to continue to buy that house, please reach out to us. Okay, if you're forced and you need to buy a property right now, you need pre-approved or whatever, we would love to help you. We are actually federally chartered at this point. We can help any clients throughout the whole country. So if you have questions, you're not locked in and you want to just kick the tires and see where you qualify, we would love to help you. The best way to reach out to me and my team or to find out more about me is to go to therateupdate.com. You're going to find all the information there that you need to contact us. So God bless, guys. Thanks again for watching. Sorry for the second video today, but I just wanted to advise you guys, rates continue to get uglier and uglier and uglier. So don't forget that we will be having a live event tomorrow to discuss the 2008 market versus the 2022 market, the similarities, the differences, and answer any questions that you guys have onto maybe why, what, and I'll be here to answer all those why questions. So thanks again for watching, guys. God bless. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.